At the beginning I was a little scared, but after you walk on it, it's like you feel very safe, and the view is amazing. It's totally worth it.
It's kind of scary, but not too much, you know. So we are like having fun much more than so yeah.
Magaria.